officially teases the new Bronco Raptor by jumping off a hill. Now, Ford Motor Company is not so great at keeping secrets. While it managed to keep the new GT under wraps until its official reveal, the automaker has been a leak factory in terms of when it comes to the Bronco. The 2021 Ford Bronco arrived just a few months ago, but speculations about a hardcore Raptor version has already begun. First, a Ford engineer leaked his possible involvement on the Bronco Raptor project on LinkedIn. Then Ford mysteriously trademarked the name Warthog. Now we know why. On this official Twitter account, Ford just posted a photo of a camouflage Bronco executing a Raptor-style jump. The photo shows all four wheels off the ground, indicating that there is some seriously tough suspension waiting to absorb the impact. In short, this is our first official look at the Bronco Raptor. And I don't have it here because before I showed it, and honestly, nobody looked at it because it was covered with paper and it just looked despicable. You know, it just looked like something crazy. Looked like something that was on the movie called Cars. That's how crazy it looked. So I didn't get too many people looking at it. So this time I'm just going to talk about it. Now, if that is indeed the name Ford decides to go with, and they did decide to go with, the Warthog. And it is fabulous, folks. Only a single image was posted with the caption, testing. Testing is this thing on the microphone. A similar Bronco prototype was recently spotted testing in the Detroit area, likely prompting Ford to release its own teaser to control the messaging around the new product. The company North America product communication manager, Mike Levine, even shared the teaser on his Twitter account with the caption, "Seen the spy photos and raising you a fly photo." What could it be? Now, the standard Bronco hasn't arrived in dealerships yet, so maybe still take some time before Ford officially reveals a concept version of the Raptor Warthog version. All of the leaked products timeline predict that the Bronco Raptor will arrive in 2023, but it's still nice to see a teaser as something to look forward to. Expect the version of the Bronco to receive massive suspension upgrades and a power increase over the current 2.7 liter V6, rated at 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. The 3.0 liter twin-turbo V6 from the Explorer ST produces 400 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. It could be a suitable powertrain option. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.